Hello guys, in this video I'd like to let you know that I have a new universal course update using Polygons to the max. So what is the universal course update? Well guys, it's an update, it's a new video or a new set of videos that goes for all courses because it's useful for all courses. So it's going to go in my Ultimate Modeling course, Ultimate Sci-Fi Soldier, Practical Design, and Redesign and Remake as well guys, because I think it's just a really good fundamental video. And it's even good if you not use just 3ds Max, if you just use Blender as well guys. It's really good to know how you can get the most out of polygons and how you can avoid trying to use polygons like a CAD program. So use CAD for CAD, use polygons for polygons. How can you get the most out of polygons? So guys, that's going to be available under all of my courses. So no matter which one you have, unless the plasticity course guys, just because that's just pretty much 100% plasticity. But every other course guys will have this update. So you're going to get to learn in this video, this nice beefy video, how you can really get the most out of polygons, how to use them in a very creative way, and get the most out of the unique modeling capabilities of polygons. So guys, link for all the courses in the description. Thank you for watching and take care.